Jahan, an update from Geopolitical Insider MED The Futurists. A major shift that's going to shape the global energy market, and it's happening right here in India. According to Goldman Sachs, India is expected to become the fastest growing oil demand region among the large economies over the next few decades. Nikhil Bhandari, co-head of APAC Natural Resources and Clean Energy Research, recently shared that India will play a leading role in global oil demand growth more than any other country. So why is this happening? Let's break it down with Geopolitical Insider Team MND The Futurist. First, population growth and urbanization. India is home of over 1.4 billion people, and this number is still growing. So more people are moving into cities, which mean more transport, more fuel use, and greater energy needs. Second, rising middle class. Now, India's middle class is expected to double in the next 10 to 15 years. Now, that certainly means more cars, flights, and consumer goods, all of which increase demand for oil and fuel. Number three is industrial expansion. Now, India is pushing hard on manufacturing and infrastructure development, from highways to smart cities. Now, these industries require oil for transportation, construction, and even power backup. Now, fourth is transport will drive oil demand. Now, while India is investing in clean energy, transport will still rely heavily on oil, especially trucks, ships, and air travel. So, electric vehicles are growing, but full transition will take time. Then fifth is slower transition to clean energy in heavy sectors. So sectors like aviation, shipping, and heavy manufacturing still depend on oil and will continue to do so for good amount of years. So clean energy is growing fast in power generation, but oil will stay dominant in transport and logistics. Now, what does this all mean for India? India is becoming a central player in global energy strategy. This gives us the leverage in global oil markets, but it also responsibility to manage the emissions and drive innovation in clean technology. So the world is watching how India is balancing the growth with sustainability, and the next 20 years are going to be critical. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.